Always have and always will live within my meats. Some curry cages and chicken foot. I love them bad. Yeah, my grandson that's the but Nana, those are bones. You're not allowed bone. Oh God. Well seasoned. hmm So that is dinner with rice satina. And I have some whole wheat dumpling in the fridge that I'm gonna rehot. Yeah, me not dash for nothing. I don't dash for nothing. All the truth. Live within your means. When God bless you, don't show off with it. You understand or not? Because I'm few doing a few days. I'm gonna show off and say, oh, I can this or eat that or whatever. No. Until you live within your means. When you live within your means, that is how you save. You understand? Because right now, I need somewhere to live. Yeah. I need somewhere to live, so I have to eat. And it's not a whole pot of rice, you know. And that's why you see there wheel on the bottom, a little bit of rice left. And it's just one fair curry chicken back with rice. Yeah.